Welcome to this quick and helpful guide on how to show the play shortcut in your DMs list on Discord. If you've noticed that the little play icon is missing next to some of your direct messages, don't worry, it's just a simple setting that can be turned back on in a few taps. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you are on the main screen, look down to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open up your user settings where you can adjust just about everything related to your account and app preferences. Next, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled App Settings. In this section, find and tap on Settings. This will bring up a list of options that control how Discord behaves on your device. Now, keep scrolling until you find the option called Advanced. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where Discord keeps some of the more detailed features and customization tools that aren't immediately visible. Inside the advanced settings, scroll down again until you find the option labeled Hide Play Shortcut in DMs List. If this switch is turned on, that's why the play icon isn't showing up in your DMs list. To bring it back, simply toggle this setting off. Once you do, the play shortcut will appear again, and you'll be able to access music or activity links in your direct messages with just one tap. That's all there is to it. You don't need to restart Discord or make any other changes. The adjustment takes effect right away. So now you know exactly how to show the play shortcut in your DMs list on Discord. It's a small tweak, but it makes it a lot easier to interact with shared games, music, and other media directly from your chat.